Do you ever have trouble cutting things like bananas? Ugh, such a pain. Well, with my new product, you'll never have to worry about that again.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this? You think this is gonna help you? Dude, if you don't have the kitchen guillotine, you can't slice food. Boom.
Whoa!
Try this bad boy out.
What's that?
Just kitchen guillotine is so easy to use. Pull the string up, let go, clean
Whoa.
slice. I know.
Made cut.
Hi, I'm Joe Pizzana, and I'm here to introduce to you today the new kitchen guillotine. Let me show you how the kitchen guillotine works. Come here. Right, so, see this string? Just pull it up. Easy slice. Easy slice right through the banana. And the more you do this, the better slice you'll get. Now, listen. If you have the kitchen guillotine, you can slice food easier. I can guarantee you that, right? And if you can slice food easier, then you have the kitchen guillotine. See that? Nice clean cut. Easy slice right through the banana.
The kitchen guillotine is made with only the finest materials and only by trained professionals of Indiana.
It's making sparks. We made a tea though. Look at that.
It even cuts hard-boiled eggs. Tomatoes.
Wow, I can't believe it. It worked.
Watch as it incinerates this avocado. Didn't even stand a chance. Not a single chance. Not one chance. The kitchen guillotine is too powerful.
Wait, how did it even do that? Wait, hold on. Can I slice this too?
It can slice anything. Kitchen guillotine guaranteed.
Let's see. If you don't have the kitchen guillotine, then you can't slice food easier. Ah! Oh!
What?
Dude, how did it do that?
I don't know. I kid you not, this machine does everything. Listen, if you can't cut a healthy meal like this, if you can't cut food easier, then you don't have the kitchen guillotine.
Order the kitchen guillotine now.
If you can't slice food easier, you don't have the kitchen guillotine.
Only $19.99.
If you order in the next 2.53 seconds, you will get the kitchen sword too. Cuts anything in one slice.